friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. We are going to take a tour around the country to see what $500,000 gets you around the nation. If you like this type of video, definitely subscribe for more. Now we're going to start in my city and state. We're going to start in Oklahoma City. Now as you can see, $500,000 gets you quite a bit. This is going to be a 4-bed, 4-bath home. Now homes where I am in Oklahoma are brick, full brick all the way around. That's one thing that's pretty common here that I know some places are not common. So let me know about house values in your area. But I will say this room in particular, this is the front door we're looking at. I wish it had more of an entryway in this area, especially for $500,000, which is a significant amount here in Oklahoma. Okay, so now taking a look at the kitchen, you see it is nice and roomy. I saw a pantry tucked that way, and this is more of leaning on the side of a closed concept home, which particularly I love. I'm not a humongous fan of open concept, but it is nice. Now you see you have a bonus room. There is your nice laundry room, and this house is situated on a lake. Alright guys, pack your bags. We are heading from Oklahoma City to Vallejo, California. For $500,000, we have a 2-bed, 1-bath home. Now this house is 900 square feet, and although it is a really cute house, do we have any subscribers from California here? Because I have so many questions. Is this the regular rate for a home in California? Because, oh my goodness. Now, you can say that the house is in actually really good condition, it looks like. So you do have a porch here that you are able to decorate and kind of make it your own. And I also saw a carport over there. But take a look at your living room. I actually think this is really cute. Look at the details of that archway too. This house was built in 1942. And these are some of the details that you will see in older homes that I love. So this would be your eat-in kitchen area. You see you have your patio doors leading out to your gorgeous backyard, and this is what the kitchen looks like. Not the biggest kitchen that we will see today, but you do have space for all of your ample things. But this, you know, it just isn't a large home. However, I will say this is your guest bedroom, and I love this faux fireplace in here. Can you imagine decorating this for Christmas? I just think it would be such a vibe. So this is your guest bedroom, your second one. You have your restroom right here. Pretty small, but you have room for the essentials. And then, of course, your primary bedroom and bathroom as well. Now, one thing that I did like about this house, this is your laundry room, mud room area. You do have some backyard space, believe it or not, especially with it being such a small house. Now, keep in mind, this is California, so you're going to have room to kind of build like a outdoor living area out there. I think you could really double your square footage. So Vallejo has been fun, but we are now heading to Connecticut. Killingworth, Connecticut to be exact. 3-bed, 3-bath, a little over 2,200 square feet for $500,000. So this house also features a 2-car garage, and this house is situated on 1 acre. So of course you have room to spread out. Now let me just say this porch is beautiful. This actually gives me southern home type vibes. So, quick question, do we have any viewers from the Connecticut area that watch? After doing the research for this video, your state just seems so beautiful. I just want to know from a local how it is. Now also you have this beautiful pool in your backyard, so if you want to hang out by the pool, you can. But don't forget, I said this comes on 1 acre. So not only do you get the pool section, but you get this section here. You have tons of space in this home. But let's go ahead and move inside. We're going to start with your living room here with these beautiful, beautiful wood beams. Now this house was built in 1994, and the house seems to be pretty well taken care of. Beautiful floors, beautiful beams. Now I'm not the biggest fan of this paint color combination, but that's just me. But I do love this kitchen, large and spacious. So of course, if you wanted to upgrade, you're more than welcome to, but I always look at a house, okay, is it suitable? Could you live there right now? And you could definitely live in this home even as you upgrade and update it later. Lots of different spaces. Love this with the glass doors here. This would make a beautiful office. And of course, the bedrooms, lots of wood in this house, but for the people out there that love wood, I'm sure that is a huge plus. Now, here's more of the interesting color combinations. I see where they were going with that accent wall, but some of the other areas in the home just kind of, I don't know. So we also have the primary bath here, really beautiful space. Looks like it's dual sinks as well as this powder room. It looks very dark and moody, and I love how they paired it with gold accents. This looks to be an upstairs attic space used as a bonus room, kind of a everything room. Beautiful fireplace, treadmill, sofa, just a good space to tuck away. Let me know down below in the comment section what you thought of this house. Okay, grab your bags, friends. Let's go from Connecticut to Tampa, Florida, and check out their real estate. Now we have $499, $995 for this beautiful home. Now this is going to be a 4-bed, 2-bath home, a little over 1,600 square feet. But I actually really like this house. I like the way that it looks very palatial, even though it is a home on the smaller side. Now, as you can see, this is a very new home. We're going with a lot of the really popular grayish color that we are seeing everywhere right now. That gray and beige blend. Also, really love the bathrooms. Everything, I can't even say updated because the house is so new. I also love the floors throughout. Now keep in mind, we are putting 4 bedrooms in a house that is a little over 1,600 square feet. So your rooms are not going to be just humongous rooms. This would be your primary bedroom. But I do like the way that the house is laid out. This is your primary bathroom as well. Also comment down below, how would you all customize and update this home? Not necessarily update it, but what would you do to make it look yours? I will tell you one thing, I do love this shower head. That looks very luxurious. This would be your primary closet, and it's okay, it's a ton of space. And this is how the room is laid out. You're gonna have your living area as well as a section for your dining table as well. Beautiful kitchen, galley style, but a gorgeous backsplash. I love this. I love this color combination. I believe all appliances come with this home, and also, I don't know if you caught it, but there is a stainless steel apron style sink. Don't really have so much of a laundry room as a laundry closet, but if you're a family that doesn't have to do laundry 24/7, that's not a big deal. Now, of course, we are in Florida, so why not have a beautiful Florida room, a screened-in porch, great way to relax. Now, initially, I thought this was the backyard, and I was like, wow, it's humongous. But after looking, it looks like the houses are not fenced in this area, and that all of the houses in this specific area share that one plot of land and use it as their backyard. If Florida living is for you, then I definitely think this would be a nice house to start with. It is a very beautiful house. Last but not least, let's head from Tampa, Florida to NYC. I don't know why I did this to us. I just wanted to see what 500,000 gets you in New York. And trust me, brace yourself. So in NYC, we have a 2-bed, 1-bath, 649 square foot apartment for 500,000. I'm speechless right now. Now, I will say for a smaller apartment, this apartment does have a ton of natural light that flows in, which is beautiful. Love the flooring in here. This would be your living room, by the way, but I cannot wrap my head around paying $500,000 for an apartment. East Coast watchers and subscribers, if you are there, help us out. Now, I'm an Oklahoma girl. I am used to Oklahoma cost of living, so this is just bananas to me. All right, quick quick wrap up and final thoughts here. You guys, I'm an Oklahoma girl, and I think we're going to be staying Oklahoma people because these prices are crazy. Now, I will say it looks like to get the most bang for your buck, you will definitely need to stay away from the various coasts. Midwest living, it is for me. So let me know what you thought about this. Were there any home prices that just really didn't seem that much to you? What area do you live in? What do you think about the cost of living? And also, what other states and cities would you like to see featured on here? Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching And Then There Was Style, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends, and stay safe.